All right, it's that time again to do the Sunday edition of the pre-market PulseWave report. Let's jump right in here. All right, so the first chart, and these are all weekly charts to see how the market ended. So the U.S. dollar ended on a high note, flirting with the 105 handle now. Seems to be no end in sight. We expect for this trend to continue. As far as real estate, looking at ticker IYR, it finished the week down and with the bearish pointer. So I think this market is ready to fall outside of the Kumo cloud and just collapse. Looking at oil, ticker is OIH. Same thing, bearish pointer on the week. And this one looks like it's ready to continue its descent as well. The QQQ, NASDAQ 100. Bearish pointer, and this one's looking to accelerate to the downside. Looking at the S&P 500, ticker is SPY, bearish pointer. We expect the market to fall pretty hard. Looking at the bond market, and the market did make a bullish pointer, and I think this one's going to try to reverse and get all the way back up here toward the Kumo cloud. I'm looking to get long the TLT. Talking about the U.S. dollar, ticker UUP had a strong finish as well. Looking to get long that one too. They may want to take this dollar to 130. Looking at ADA Cardano, so far bearish pointer, and it's looking like this one wants to continue its descent as well. Looking at Litecoin also looking to want to continue, but I got to tell you, it's looking like these markets could really get pretty drastic on the downside. All right, here is your Theta. All right, bear market, but something weird is happening. We're having a rally alert to start things off on the weekly chart. So this one, I think it wants to take the pointer and then take the secondary pointer. So I think this one's ready to rebound at this point. All right, taking a look now at XRP Ripple on the weekly. This one right here is also looking mad bearish, looking like the whole system's about to come down. All right, Bitcoin though is having a reprieve here on the weekly chart. This was a bearish pointer. But I think the market wants to continue the upward retracement. Probably will pause at the overhead trendline resistance, which is right shy of below the 35,000 handle. So we got at least about another 2,000 points the market can rally before it reverses. Looking here at Ethereum, again, same as the Bitcoin. You got a bearish pointer, but not as strong and pronounced as the Bitcoin one, but nevertheless, the market wants to retrace and get back up to the overhead trendline resistance, and that's right below the 2,500 handle. Okay, next is the Dow Jones, the Diamonds DIA, bearish pointer on the weekly, looking for a huge sell-off to come and continue. GBTC, the Bitcoin ETF. You got this gap down on the weekly, so I think the market's going to reverse and back and fill. And then once the back and fill is done, that's when I think the markets will continue the trajectory to the downside between Tuesday and Wednesday. All right, looking at the miners, GDXJ. GDXJ finished with a bearish pointer, and you got a gap down too. So we'll see what happens. I think the market will try to back and fill, and we'll spend a day or two up there. And then, like I said, between Tuesday and Wednesday, I think the cryptos start to put in a new leg lower. Looking at GLD, as far as how the gold futures are doing, GLD finished the week right near the lows of the session. Not a bearish pointer, though, but weakness nonetheless. I think the market's going to try to defend and find support at the top of the Kumo cloud. And also this bullish pointer is going to re-attract price. But that doesn't mean that the market can't come down here and deal with these bearish pointers. And you have 4 of them. All right, major ones. December the 17th, October the 1st, August the 13th, and April the 2nd of 2021. So yeah, looking like dust is going to be your call, my man. HDGE. Okay, on the weekly, it's looking like it wants to do something, and I put a bullish pointer as well on the weekly. So I'm looking to start getting involved in HDGE too. I think it's time to start shopping that. Here's last but not least the Russell My Hustle, ticker IWM, bearish pointer. Ladies and gentlemen, I think you know what I'm about to say to you. It's time to back up the truck. All right, so here's what we're going to do. I just realized that on the trade journal that I just did, I realized I forgot to turn the screen share on, but don't worry. I told you what numbers I was getting. And if you go to the Dex's watch list, you will see those represented there. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to be doing another trade journal, more likely in the morning, because you can't buy any equities right now. So you got to wait till the 9:30 open. But I'm looking to get long the TLT and UUP. I'll be looking to get long on TWM, QID, SDS, maybe even some SQQ. We'll see about that. Maybe some UVXY, and definitely the HDGE. And I'm also looking to add to the commodities positions. So I will have a nice, long, lengthy pre-market journal report tomorrow morning, and we'll go through those, and I'll give you my specific entries, and we'll take it from there. Okay. So that's all I got from now. Enjoy y'all Sunday. Smash the like button, and I will see y'all tomorrow morning, Lord willing. We'll go over my shopping list for the U.S. equity market open tomorrow. All right, so be blessed, and I'll see you guys in the morning. Enjoy the rest of y'all Sunday. Peace.